g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a peanut butter chocolate cake with 3 ingredients, so it's completely gluten-free. It's basically, we're going to take some eggs, I've separated the whites and the yolks, and I've whipped up the egg whites. And we're going to melt some chocolate and we're going to mix the yolks with the melted chocolate. I'm just going to mix those up. We're going to add these now to the egg whites. My oven is preheating. I'm just going to fold it all in together. It's in our cake tin. Okay, we're going to take some peanut butter, but remember, make sure you use a natural peanut butter because it doesn't have all the chemicals. This is just, we're going to put some on top. Now, if you don't like peanut butter, you can use a different nut butter. And so that's how you swirl it in, like that. If you love peanut butter, you can add more. It calls for 1/4 cup. And then we're going to pop this in the oven and bake it, and we'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. So I took it out, it's finished baking. Remember, it's not going to rise very high because there's no flour in it, but it cut it into a lovely wedge of cake, and there you have a 3 ingredient peanut butter chocolate cake. Enjoy.